the official audio-video overview for the initial public offer of Esds Software Solution Limited. We are an end-to-end AI-enabled cloud, managed services, data center infrastructure and software solutions provider in India. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and Esds Software Solution Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by financial influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the issue document and pre-issue and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated March 30, 2025. Esds Software Solution Limited's initial public offering consists of a fresh issue of such number of equity shares of face value of 1 rupee each, aggregating up to 6,000 million rupees. Our company was incorporated on August 18, 2005 and its registered office is located at plot number B24 and 25, NICE area, MIDC, Satpur, Nashik, 422007, Maharashtra, India. And corporate office is located at unit number B01, ground floor, Empire Tower, gut number 31, Mauj Elthan, Thane 400708, Maharashtra, India. As per the report titled India Data Center, Cloud Services and Managed Services Industry Outlook dated March 2025, issued by NextDime Private Limited, exclusively commissioned and paid for by us in connection with the issue, NextDime Report. We are one of the only two players in India providing the entire spectrum of cloud, managed services, data center infrastructure and software solutions in India. Further, among the two, we are the largest in terms of revenue from operations in fiscal 2024. Source: NextDime Report. We offer a comprehensive platform of cloud infrastructure and software solutions consisting of Infrastructure as a Service (IaaS), which is broadly divided into co-location and data center services, cloud services and cloud computing, managed services, and Software as a Service (SaaS), which allows us to provide well-architected cloud adoption solutions to our customers aimed at reducing their cost while providing security, flexibility, scalability and reliability. We were one of the first cloud service providers in India to offer community cloud services, provided on multi-tenant model to a group of organizations that have similar business model and requirements such as data privacy, security, compliances and regulatory considerations. Source: NextDime Report. The cloud industry in India is poised for rapid growth due to the Digital India initiative, driving government-led digital transformation, which requires scalable cloud infrastructure. Source: NextDime Report. Indian cloud services market has grown at a CAGR of 22.3% during fiscal 2020 to fiscal 2024 and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 15.8% from 523.8 billion rupees in fiscal 2024 to 1,844.1 billion rupees in fiscal 2030. Source: NextDime Report. We provide our services to a diverse range of end-user industries and customers, comprising banking, financial services and insurance companies, collectively BFSI, public sector entities, including central, state and local government departments, public sector undertakings, PSUs, government agencies and institutions that procure products or services for administrative, infrastructure or public service purposes, collectively government, and businesses and enterprises not included in BFSI or government, collectively enterprises. We serviced 1,398 customers in the 6 months ended September 30, 2024. As at January 31, 2025, we had 1,027 employees. Investors should note the following important risks. If we fail to innovate in response to new technological changes and technological innovations, or adapt to technological developments or evolving industry standards, our business, financial condition, and results of operations could be adversely affected. Our revenue, directly or indirectly, from government entities and government projects represented 29.30%, 34.04%, 33.90%, and 29.64% of our revenue from operations for the 6 months ended September 30, 2024 and fiscals 2024, 2023 and 2022 respectively. Any changes in government policies or budgetary allocations in relation to outsourcing of services may adversely affect our business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. We made a loss for the year for fiscals 2023 and 2022. There can be no assurance that we will not incur a loss for the year in the future. If we were to experience a loss for the year over continuous fiscal years, especially if the losses were large, our ability to operate our business as a going concern may be jeopardized. We may need to raise additional financing, which may not be available, and you could lose all or substantially all of your investment in the equity shares. Our material subsidiary, Esds Cloud FZ LLC, has a loss for the period year for the 6 months ended September 30, 2024, fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023, and fiscal 2022. There can be no assurance that Esds Cloud FZ LLC will not incur a loss for the period year in the future. If Esds Cloud FZ LLC were to experience a loss for the year over continuous fiscal years, especially if the losses were large, its ability to operate its business as a going concern may be adversely affected, which may require it to raise additional financing, which may not be available, and it would adversely affect our consolidated financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. In addition, our company could lose its investment in Esds Cloud FZ LLC and may not be repaid the money it has lent to Esds Cloud FZ LLC, which would have an adverse effect on its financial condition on a standalone basis. Any unauthorized access to our network or data could harm our reputation, create additional liability, and adversely affect our financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. The promoters of our company are Piyush Prakash Chandra Somani, Komal Piyush Somani, and P.O. Somani Family Trust, who hold 24.54%, 10.13%, and 11.19% respectively of the paid-up equity share capital of our company. 51.71% of the issued, subscribed, and paid-up equity share capital of the company is held by the public shareholders. We have 6 directors on our board, of whom 3 are executive directors and 3 are independent directors, including 1 independent woman director. Company's revenue from operations during the 6-month period ended September 30, 2024, fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023 and fiscal 2022 was 1,721.50 million rupees, 2,865.18 million rupees, 2,075.66 million rupees, and 1,953.58 million rupees respectively. The EBITDA margin for 6-month period ended September 30, 2024, fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023 and fiscal 2022 was 42.90%, 35.56%, 22.87% and 30.05% respectively. The profit loss after tax for 6 months ended September 30, 2024, fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023 and fiscal 2022 was 239.34 million rupees, 136.10 million rupees, loss of 224.60 million rupees, and loss of 26.63 million rupees respectively, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 13.90%, 4.75%, loss of 10.82% and loss of 1.36% respectively. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including sections titled Summary of the Issue Document, Summary Financial Information, Restated Consolidated Financial Information, beginning on pages 22, 82 and 285 respectively of the DRHP for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding litigation proceedings involving the company, promoter, directors, key managerial personnel, and senior management. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may have an adverse impact on our reputation, business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. For further details, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 405 of the DRHP. Our company intends to utilize the net proceeds from the issue towards funding the following objects: purchase and installation of cloud computing and other equipment and infrastructure for our data centers, and general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not less than 75% of the issue to qualified institutional buyers (QIBs), not more than 15% of the issue to non-institutional investors (NIIs), and not more than 10% of the issue to retail individual investors (RIIs). The equity shares will be listed on main board of BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. DAM Capital Advisors Limited and Systematics Corporate Services Limited are the book-running lead managers to the issue. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the issue unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated March 30, 2025 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoter are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the issue for making any investment decision.